this is your sign to take a break from 1B hair and try some color. Because now I don't know if I can go back to my natural hair color. This just looks too good. Hey y'all, I'm Kenzie Ray. Welcome back to my channel. So today's hair is from Nadula. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we got. So along with the hair, I received a wig cap, an elastic band, and a makeup brush. This is their 20-inch pre-cut wear and go wig in the color reddish brown, and it does come with an adjustable strap and clips for security. And as you can see, the hair is gorgeous. I'm in love with this color, and the curls are so pretty. And like I said, this is a wear and go unit, so it does come with pre-cut lace. So now let's go ahead and get into the styling. So all I'm going to be doing is just defining the curls, and to do this I'm using some water, some moisturizer, and some setting foam. And I'm just going to take my time and work through it section by section. I also love that this hair was super easy to detangle. So I'm going to go ahead and finish styling the hair, and I'll catch up with you guys when it's time to install. So after I finished defining the curls, I actually put the wig up for that day. So this is the next day. The hair did dry a little bit, but as you can see, the curls are definitely still defined. So I'm just gonna go back in and just refresh them a little bit. I'm using some lace tinting powder and I'm just going to put that on the part just to make everything blend in seamlessly. Alright y'all, and here is the final look. I am so in love with this wig and especially this color. I usually always stick to like 1B in my natural hair color and I never really step out and try other colors, but this is my second time this year trying a color similar to this one and I'm just in love, so I might have to dye my hair, y'all. But again, this hair is from Nadula. This is their 20-inch pre-cut wear and go wig in reddish brown. I have all of their information down in my description box, so definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.